Intensive Care Foot Mask. Mediheal Paraffin Foot Mask contains a rich blend of hydrating and exfoliating elements that will help improve the appearance of your ankles. This foot exfoliator peeling mask is beneficial for those with dry, thickened, and rough skin. Enriched with nourishing ingredients. This foot mask contains paraffin, urea, shea butter extracts that offer an at-home spa experience. The hydrating ingredients in our feet mask help improve skin elasticity, leaving your feet moisturized. Exfoliating and rejuvenating. Mediheal foot care masks contain urea, known for their outstanding exfoliating benefits. This element in our pedicure kit for men and women exfoliate dead skin cells, improves the appearance of cracked heels, and makes them smooth. Say goodbye to foot fatigue. Our foot peel mask for dry cracked heels contains corn mint extract and ginseng extract that helps to relax foot tension. These active ingredients improve circulation to relieve fatigue from the feet and help you achieve that jump in your walk. How to use. Wash your feet before use and soak them in warm water to soften the cuticles. Open the pouch and take out an all-in-one foot mask. Wear the socks and seal them up. Wrap the mask tightly around the ankles. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and remove the foot mask. Gently pat the remaining essence until it fully absorbs. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. The instructions were in Korean, which is not a familiar language to me. It was fairly easy to figure out and I was totally amazed at my feet after using it one time. They were soft and the dry skin peeled right off. I would recommend this to other folks with dry scaly feet. It is great.